Looking to download a view-only video file from Google Drive? I've got you covered. I'm going to show you a bunch of steps involved to get that video downloaded, so stick close and let's get into it. Alright, so you might find yourself over here, and on the top right hand side of the screen you'll find that there is no download icon. Alright, so what we're going to do is we want to click on the three dots at the top of the page. We're going to click on the open in a new window. So the next thing you want to do is make sure that you are using your keyboard and you want to tap on F12. Once you've tapped on F12, a console will open up on the right hand side and you're going to look for network. Now, if you can't find network right at the top here, you can just use the two arrows just next to where my network is, and it will then open up and it'll look like this. All right, the next thing you want to do is just click on play on the video. You're going to just have it play for a few seconds. You'll also see that there is a settings icon. You want to go ahead and click on that, and here we can just adjust the quality. So of course you want to download it in the highest quality possible, or alternatively you can download it in a lower quality. Now what you will see is on the right hand side when you actually click play on the video is a whole bunch of files actually generating. Okay, so you'll see just over here, and what we want to do is we want to look for the file with the largest size. So if you go over to size over here, you want to go and click on it twice. The first time you click on it, it'll rearrange that list in smallest to largest file size, and if you click on it a second time, it'll arrange it from file size largest to smallest. We're looking for the largest file, which will be the video. What we want to do now is that very top one, it has the largest file size. You want to just right click on it. You're going to come down to copy. You also want to just click on copy URL. Now you have your URL, and we want to now open this up in Notes. We can open it up in Microsoft Word, anywhere that you can paste and edit text. All right, so we've got it over here. We are going to paste it onto Notes, and we are going to remove some of the text. So this is how we're going to go about it. So the very end over here, you want to go ahead and you want to go from the equal sign, and you want to remove everything thereafter. So it'll go something like this: equals 1 and symbol srfvp equals 1. So you want to remove that completely. The next thing we're going to do is jump up to edit, and we're going to click on find. You're going to go ahead and type in the word range, and you're going to either click on the down arrow or the up arrow to actually locate where the word range is in this text. So there is actually only one instance where range is used in this URL. So we're going to locate it, and we are going to delete some of the text in over here. So we're going to go from the word range. You're going to delete the range equals a bunch of numbers separated by a dash, and then there'll be an and symbol, rn equals. Okay, so we're going to go from the word range all the way up to the and symbol, and we are going to delete it. Now once we're done, this is our final URL, and we are going to go ahead now and we are going to select all, we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it into a URL tab. So here we are back in Chrome. We're going to go ahead and just open up a new tab. We're going to paste it right up over here in the top, and we're going to hit enter. So if you go now down on this video, you'll see it has appeared, and there are three dots. Now once you hit the three dots, you'll actually find that there is a download option over here. So the next thing we're going to do now is jump back to this page where we have our console open on the right hand side. And the reason we need to do this is because the video itself is actually without its audio. So it's just the video. So we're going to go back in here, and on the right hand side in our console, you'll see a little filter bar, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in audio. So once you've typed in audio, you'll actually see there's a few less files, and we're going to use the very top file again, and we're going to repeat the process. We're going to go right click, we're going to go to copy, we're going to copy the URL, and we're going to go back to our notepad. So let's remove everything from our notepad. We're going to go ahead and paste our new URL over here for the audio. Again, we're going to repeat those same steps. We're going to go from the equal sign right at the end, and we're going to delete everything thereafter. So equal 1 and symbol srfvp equals and 1. So your URL will end with and ump. We're going to go ahead and look for range Again, you can use the find option, or you can just locate it visually or manually. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to delete from range all the way through their numbers to the and symbol. Again, we're going to go ahead, we're going to copy this URL once we've removed those items, and we are going to paste it in a new tab in our browser. So right over here, you will see that this is the audio for your video. You're going to now go ahead and click on the three dots, and you will have the download option. Now you will have the video and the audio in separate files, but fear not. The next thing to do is to put them together. Now there are a number of ways that you can actually put the audio as well as the video together. You can use CapCut Desktop. You can use any sort of online video editor. Now if you want to learn more about video editors, you can actually go ahead and click on the video over here, and we will take you through how to use a video editor.